Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be upgrading the hard drive in this old HP Pavilion PC. I don't know which one it is, and somewhere on the bottom here it'll probably be in the title of the video, but this has an old slow hard disk inside of it, and I'm going to be upgrading it with a 480 gigabyte, I think, hard SSD from Kingston, or solid state drive. So yeah, it's pretty slow. Well, not so slow that it's unusable, but it's just mediocre performance. You can see some lag there. Yeah. So I'm going to be swapping it with the solid state drive in this laptop right here, which is making a horrible sound. The fan in this one is kind of broken. But yeah, let's just shut this machine down. If it'll even shut down. Okay. But yeah, it's pretty slow. Not very usable with Windows 10 on this, so I'm going to be putting a new solid state drive. The solid state drive, I bought it like a few months ago, a couple months ago, I think in August, but it's going to be much faster. It's technically used, it's barely been used, so yeah, let's just wait for this to shut down. And this is the laptop. Let's just shut this one down too. This one has a broken trackpad as well, so yeah, I'm going to be installing Windows 8 on both of these. The HP one is supposed to come with Windows 10, but whatever, Windows 8 is more interesting. So I think this one is shut down. And yeah, let me put this shade down so get more even lighting. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. It's my floor and my leg. Okay, but anyways, can just start unscrewing the Phillips head screws on the bottom here. It's kind of cold this morning, so I have somewhat of a runny nose or stuffy nose. So if you hear a few sniffs or there, hopefully it won't mess up the viewer's experience. I don't know. One of the screws is missing. I don't know where that went. Where did that go? I don't know. But yeah, I think that screw standoff was broken, so I can't screw anything in there anymore. Just got to zoom out. There's one underneath his foot here. Can flip it over now. Open the lid. And I've made a video on both of these laptops before, the Asus one and this HP one before. I've only made one video, I think, on the Asus one. I did film one video, but that one just didn't get released. So, careful to not break any of the clips. I've opened this laptop before, so it's pretty familiar for me. And, Yeah, here's the standoff. I don't know how that one got loose, but anyways, here is the computer itself. So you can see here that we have an 8GB DDR4, I think this is DDR4, yeah, 8GB DDR4 DIMM. Now we can just take the hard drive out, disconnecting the SATA cable, and we can take this Toshiba hard drive out. Looks like this should fit in that slim Asus PC. That one can only take SSDs and slim hard drives. It surprises me how thin this drive is. Like single platter. I'm used to working on vintage laptops and PCs. You know, their hard drives are pretty chunky or a lot thicker than this one. So it's weird to hold a hard disk that is this small. Now, time for the Asus PC. This one has a dent in it, although it works just fine. So, it is missing a screw. I don't know where this one went. I swear I screwed one in there before. You can see the Windows 8 sticker, so that's one thing to know. Yeah. There would have been a total of 9 screws holding this in, but of course, you only have 8 screws holding this in due to the fact that we're missing one screw. And last screw. Now this just pops off. So here is the Kingston SSD. Can just unscrew the drive. I don't really have many SSDs around in my house. They're all being used up by Macs and stuff. This is the only PC I have that's using a Kingston or an SSD. So it surprises me by how light it is compared to the hard disk, even though they're the same thickness. So I can just unscrew everything. My main Windows machine, with my Windows 7 laptop that I used to get drivers for all my vintage PCs or old PCs, probably has a bunch of viruses on it due to the fact that there's no antivirus and it's out of support, and I download stuff from unsecure websites. But anyways, yeah, that one isn't using an SSD, surprisingly, because it's my main Windows machine. But the reason why is that, I don't know, it just feels wrong to have an SSD in a laptop that has a hard drive activity light, and if you don't know what that is, it just tells you what the hard drive is doing at that particular moment. I just noticed that there's an NVMe slot right here, so I think this laptop might be newer than I thought it was, but anyways, sorry about that. Anyways, yeah. It's getting colder around my area. So I'll probably be sneezing in a few more of my videos. I got this backwards. It's supposed to go like this, I think. Connect the the SATA cable, or the cable for the hard drive. There you go. Now we can just put this cover for the laptop back on. Now this should work. Just flip it up, finish clipping everything in. Sorry about that. The camera cut out again for like the millionth time. So I can just finish screwing some of this stuff back together. Can just finish screwing all the Phillips screws into the computer. So, everything looks good. Let's turn on the laptop. And the laptop is not turning on. Maybe we get some juice. That's the wrong charger. Disconnect power adapter. There we go. I hate reflections. So yeah, here's okay, that's something aside. So here is our official Windows 8 CD. Well, not CD, DVD. Looks like it's booted into Windows 10, and it looks like it's already like 10 times faster. Let's get to the boot menu. Okay. You can see that my CD drive is connected. Oh no, I hit myself that hard. But that did hurt. My CD drives aren't being detected. Oh, no. It's not there. Yeah, it's being slow. CD drive was detected earlier. It should be detected now. Yep. CD-ROM is detected, which is very, very good. So it should. There we go. Now it's booting into the Windows 8 CD. So now that it's booting up to that, let's reassemble the Asus netbook type PC or Asus PC. So, got hard disk, bracket. So, it's supposed to be like this. Oh my god. It's hard sometimes. So, as you can see, just booted into the Windows 8 CD. That's not the correct screw. So, I think, no, like this. Go. Now I got one black screw. Let's start the setup. Now this is Windows 8.0, not 8.1. So if you're thinking, oh, he's just gonna install Windows 8.1. No, I'm installing Windows 8.0 because I am very stupid. So, that being said, Asus PC. Insert the hard drive and let's screw it in. There we go. That hard drive is screwed in. If you're wondering what I'm doing right now, I'm just clipping in the bottom panel for the Asus PC. And here, we need our product key. I cannot bypass this, so get product key from internet. So I'm not sure if this is legal, but whatever. And I'm just getting this off of a random website. You can find like a bunch of these, so I'm not sure if it really matters. I'm just gonna put camera side. I hate typing in product keys. And this should work. So I'm going to erase everything from this drive. So delete everything. Okay. This fan is on this computer is kind of bugging me. Whatever. So, there we go. Next. So, it's installing. So, yeah. I'll probably do a time lapse of this. So, yeah. Well, so it finished installing. Time lapse didn't work for some reason. So, I'm not just gonna let it film here and like sit like through the entire installation. That would be way too long. But as you can see here, Windows 8 has finished installing. So cool. Anyways, just give it a name. It's good enough. Internet. Just generic name. Should I put a password? Yeah, I'll put a password. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. There we go. That's a good enough hint. Yep. Hopefully it has all the drivers, because no drivers would be pretty bad, honestly. It's gone through this dumb process. Ooh, okay, that was pretty smooth. So, let's go to the desktop. Let's go to File Manager here. Right click, let's go to Properties. And, yeah, Windows is not activated, as you can see down here. But let's go into Device Manager. Let's see if it has the drivers and everything. So let's go to Display Adapters. No, right here. Yeah, no drivers. Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. So I'll probably have to install those myself. Yup, there's no internet. Literally, basically the only thing that's working here is the sound. So, unknown. So, yeah, this computer was just not made to run Windows 8. It's supposed to run Windows 10. So, but it works surprisingly well. I am genuinely surprised by that. I'm just gonna add a computer shortcut right here. Rename it. Rename it to computer. Pretty good, honestly. I'm surprised by how well this works. We've got Internet Explorer here. Can download my favorite browser. Never mind, I do not have drivers. Yep. So I'll probably have to get all the drivers later. But for now it's working just fine. Literally the only thing that's working here is sound drivers. So, I think that just puts it in sleep. So, it's working. I hate this reflection. I just have to get my Windows 8 CD out. Oh, that actually pressed something. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's working, just have to get some drivers for it. Hopefully I can get it from the HP website. Otherwise I'll have to get it from another website, which will not be fun. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.